to Keanna's world. Today I am opening a Stella's little house. I like Stella. Do you like Stella? This is the Angry Birds Stella's house. It comes with a swing, her little two friends, and Angry Birds little bad guys there. Don't want to get them. And this is the back of the box. Her house. So let me open this.
You can connect them with, it works with iPhone, but we don't have an iPhone or an iPad.
Yeah. Open it
But
up.
we don't have that. So we only have a Samsung tablet
Yeah.
and a Samsung phone. Can you manage it? Okay, let's take a look.
These are all the pieces that
This is the
pieces.
house. That's the house. And these are the Angry Bird characters.
Get this out. Just second. Oh, it's something.
You have
in
to
the
cut
back.
it. You cut it with the scissor.
There we go. And there's some more here. Some little things. So,
Let me help you with the tape.
no.
So this is the box.
Penguin.
While you're cutting it, let's take a look. It's the Angry Bird Stella, featuring Stella, the pink bird. It's a tree house playset game. We have here the bed of Stella, and we have here
Oh, this is
the furnitures. Characters can be unlocked in application, but we don't have an iPad and an
this.
iPhone, so we can't unlock the characters.
No, I want to get that, but I don't have it. Simple.
So piggies can take over. There's a swing here.
Yeah, comes with a swing. Very hard.
Okay, are you done?
Pieces.
Okay, this is the house.
This is the pieces.
That's the swing. We have here the swing.
Oh, Stella, my favorite character.
That's Stella.
Yeah, she looks so.
We have here smoothies. Look at this one. It's
Oh,
a smoothies.
Oh, look, her little cute.
Here's the bed. Very cute bed. What is
Ow.
this?
I don't know. Let's take a look at the box. What is that? Take a look at the box.
We have here a nice blue Angry Bird. Maybe this is the baby. This is the grandpa.
No,
And we
it's,
have here the crazy pigs.
yeah.
The crazy pigs. And I don't know what this is. This is
Now watch
maybe...
this, guys. Watch this. Woo, open up.
Okay, that's the... This is the house.
So it came with this, and I don't know what's it. Oh,
Where
it's
do you
the
put that
roof.
one? You put that one there? Are you sure about that? There's a heart sign on the house.
And there's something in here. Stella. It says Stella.
Stella.
And
So
we have
it's
some
quite...
structure.
It's not a big house, but it's not a small one
Let me
too.
get the instructions, but I don't know.
Let's see the instructions.
There's the instructions.
Okay, this is the instruction.
Let me get out the characters. So I'm gonna take out the little piggies, the baddie piggies. Get out you. There we go. There's the.
That's the bad piggies.
Tong
Look at her.
tong.
Look at the teeth. Yeah. Where's the other bad piggy?
There.
This one doesn't show its teeth, but its tongue. Bleh. It's saying bleh.
So funny.
I like Stella. It's very pretty. This is Stella.
Yeah, because she's cute and beautiful too.
Okay, what is this?
This is her little
This is
hardware
the
thing.
board for the
Board.
house.
Board.
And this is the board. Okay, we will attach this one later on. Okay, let's put someone on the swing.
Ow.
Let's
Wait.
try if Stella fits on the bed.
So let me get
This is
her.
the bed. Okay, let's try if Stella fits on the bed.
She can't get out. Help me! Help me! Can't get out of the bed.
So this is the house. It has 2 stories. It's a two-story house.
Think 3.
The upper story is the attic.
Yeah. So let me get up. Stella.
And this is the cute bed.
It's
This
blue.
is their smoothies.
What's that, smoothie? Oh, I didn't know that's a smoothie.
Okay, let's put the piggy on the swing.
Funny. Let me get it. There. She's so circly. Look, circle. So
Okay, do you like your Angry Bird toy house? Tree house?
So let me get this out. This is her brother.
That's the baby.
No, this is her brother, I think. I broke it.
The house is a mess.
Oh,
Oh, you put that one. This is the base of the house.
yeah.
So the house will stand up.
there we go. So we
Because if you
have-
just put it like that, it will
Oh,
fall.
look! Someone's in the swing!
Oh, someone's in the swing. It's the pretty baby boy. Okay. You need to put the house on its base.
No,
How do
the
you put
baby's wrong.
Like this.
Oh, cute! The
Okay,
ba-
so now the house stands up. Look at that.
Look, the baby have a little angry hat. Cute.
Yeah. She has a piggy hat, but she's a bird. He's a bird. He's a boy because color is blue. Look at that
I
one.
don't know what's this. I think this is on the swing.
That is for the smoothie.
oh,
You
yeah.
put the smoothie there.
There's 2 smoothies.
Okay. This is where you put the smoothie.
There are 2 smoothies.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
And you put it on the
top of the house.
Okay, there's leaves here
Oh my
where you
gosh.
can.
So there's the other smoothie. There we go. La, la, la.
Okay, there's the smoothie.
Oh look, someone's sleeping.
Someone's sleeping. Shh. We have to keep quiet because someone's sleeping. What did you do?
Okay,
Okay, you say bye-bye now because we have to play.
thanks for watching, guys.